big news for all of you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, turn notifications on, and like this video. If you guys are new, make sure to do that. And my name is Nimsy. Guys, there might be some noise in the back. It's my family. But guys, I dumped all my fidget toys and cleaned out my bin from the inside, from the top, from the side to the side. Guys, I'm gonna keep really quick. Guys, so I dumped all my fidgets out. As you guys hear, I still have the bins out. But I dumped all my fidgets out, and then another bin right here with my homemade fidgets. I count them all, and I had 142. Let's go. But guys, that's not just all that I had for this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys all my new fidgets that I got in Los Angeles while I was in Los Angeles. Yesterday I came back because I got a little sick over there. My voice doesn't sound as the same because I got sick over there. My throat was hurting, and when I swallow, or like breathe stuff or swallow stuff or drink stuff, it hurts my throat really bad, and I get pretty headaches. And yeah, well, I'm gonna be showing you guys that. And yeah, so this is one of my new fidget toys. This is a puppet that I got when I was at Los Angeles. Okay, and then this was another puppet that I got in Los Angeles. Okay, and then this is one of my parents' present for me. I really do, yeah, when they came for me yesterday. Okay, and then this is another puppet that I got when I was in Los Angeles. And this is a gift from my dad and my mom. It's a Dimples fidget spinner. Then there's white simple dimple fidget spinner. And then this is my another fidget spinner, simple dimple. Okay, this is a simple dimple that I got when I was in Los Angeles. And this is another simple dimple. And then this is a puppet that my parents gave me for a gift. And then I also got, what is this doing in there? But this is a simple dimple, which is another dimple that I got when I was in Los Angeles. And I can't find the other. Oh, here it is, the other one. This is the other one. This is a tie-dye pink one with a little bit of white. And then also got this small color changing ball, Los Angeles. And then, okay, another stuff. Okay, then I got this. This is a Rubik's Cube. And then I got one of these slime things. And yeah, guys, that's it. And then yeah, guys, we got here yesterday like at 9, I think. And we also started on that, and I also got this one. Like some kind of butter snare. That smells so good. It smells like grape. But look. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell. Oh yeah, and last but not least, I also got this. See that squishy? A globy. And that is it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, and turn notifications on. And like this video. I also got some new clothes, which is this. The tie-dye shirt. There's this shirt here. Bunch of new clothes, but but yeah, guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the button, turn notifications on, and bye.